All right, folks, the Dow 50,000 prosperity rocket ship, that's the subject of the riff. Of course it is. To quote President Trump's Truth Social post, congratulations, America, on Dow 50,000. And the widely known index didn't just crawl over 50, it rocketed by, I think, 1,200 points as of the close. All those techie moaners and groaners have had their day in court, but they lost because they were up almost 2% today. And the broad-based S&P up almost 2% today. Look, there's always a frothy selling period. It's kind of a cleansing, and it's healthy. But as I believe for so many decades, you buy stocks for the long run. You buy the indexes and the ETFs, and you hold them for the long run. And right now we have a market which is backed by very strong fundamentals. Yep, that's right. Profits are the mother's milk of stocks, and profits are strong. Future earnings estimates continue to show double-digit gains, and it's a productivity-driven profitability. Unit labor costs are barely above 1%. That is, wages minus productivity. And it's a decent proxy for low inflation, and for that matter, for the whole Trump economic boom. The success of the One Big Beautiful Bill on tax cuts and deregulation and drill, baby, drill and reciprocal fair trade is all backing up the stock market. There's a business investment boom. It's called capital deepening, which is driving up productivity and real wages for middle-class working folks. And please remember, there's something like 135 million Americans invested in stocks through 401ks or IRAs or brokerage accounts or even union pension funds. And hopefully the success of the Trump savings accounts for the newborns will create a new generation of kids who will come to appreciate not only the workings of the stock market, but also businesses and the entire economy, and for that matter, free market capitalism. From poverty to millionaire status, it's all very possible. In fact, here's Treasury man Scott Bessent talking about these savings accounts earlier today. Take a listen.
Trump accounts are a generational down payment on the American dream. Each eligible American child will receive a $1,000 seed contribution invested in the U.S. stock market, giving them a tangible stake in the most powerful economy in the world. As children see the accounts grow, they learn how markets work, how patience pays off, and how financial stability builds independence.
All right, there you have it. Anyway, part of today's stock market rally could be traced to the third straight gain for consumer confidence and a 6-month high, as Lydia Hu suggested. I'm not crazy about this Michigan survey because it's heavily weighted towards Democrats, but maybe some of the Democrats have finally seen the light and have stopped bellyaching about tariff inflation or other economic evils that have not come to pass. And even more, a good piece by Kim Strassel in the Wall Street Journal today on a sizable reduction in the outlook for the federal budget deficit. OMB Director Russell Vought is re-estimating a near $12 trillion reduction in the deficit outlook. About $2 trillion from the One Big Beautiful Bill, about $5.5 trillion from faster economic growth, and $290 billion from tariff revenues. And that all might come to $4 trillion over 10 years, the tariffs, and all of it reducing interest expense by a little less than $2 trillion. So anyway, the spending curve is starting to come down for a change. It's all good. It's all good. And it's all captured by a roaring stock market. Congrats, America. Enjoy it. It's wonderful. All right.